Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a Chrysler 200 and I will show you how to recharge the AC air conditioner by yourself. Now this video will apply to any Chrysler 200s, no matter what year. The only difference will be the location of the low pressure charging port, but other than that the process will be completely the same. Now, before I start explaining how this is done, I would always recommend to have the AC recharged professionally in a shop if you can afford it, because they can connect to both low pressure and high pressure ports. They can evacuate the system and then fully recharge it. If you are doing it by yourself, all you can do is connect to low pressure charging port and add refrigerant. It's really up to you. If you follow my instructions in this video, everything will be fine. You just have to be careful not to overcharge the system, because if you do, that can damage the AC compressor. Okay, so to recharge the AC by yourself, you will have to purchase the AC recharge kit, which usually consists of AC recharge hose. So on one side you will connect the refrigerant can, other side will connect to low pressure charging port, and you should have a gauge as well to monitor the amount of refrigerant in the system. You can buy these kits usually at any car parts stores. Last summer I've seen them even in the grocery stores as well. If on sale, you can buy it for maybe $25–30, but the usual price is around $50–60. So it's a good idea to buy it in the winter when it is cheaper. And these refrigerant cans are around $5–6 each. Good thing about this, you can reuse the hose as many times as you wish on any vehicle. So each summer you just have to buy these cans once you have the kit. Okay, now I will also show you, there is a sticker here at the front of the vehicle which will show you how much refrigerant goes into the vehicle. So the type is R134A and it takes 16 Oz or 0.454 kilograms, 454 grams. And if you take a look at these cans, you will also see one can is equivalent to 16 Oz or 454 grams of R134A. So that would mean that to fully charge the system, you will have to use up this whole can. Do not use the second can. If the system is not completely empty, then you will maybe just have to add half a can or something like that. Okay, now to start, first you want to screw the can onto this side of the hose, but don't pierce the can yet before you connect the low pressure charging port. Now once this can is connected, now you will connect the low pressure charging port, which will be just down here. So you want to remove this black cap and you want to attach the other side of the hose, right? Now to do that, you just want to pull this sleeve up and attach it. Just like this. Once that is done and everything is attached, now you want to turn this knob all the way in to pierce the can. And then everything will be ready to start charging the system. Next thing you will do, you will start the car, and then you will turn on the AC. You will set the blower to the highest speed, and you will turn the air circulation inside the cabin. And now you can proceed outside and start charging the system. Okay, so I hope you'll be able to hear me. So what you will do next, you will turn the can upside down and slowly start releasing the refrigerant into the system. Now this doesn't have to be done fast, just take your time. And make sure to monitor the gauge. When I'm maybe halfway done, I like to take a break, proceed inside the vehicle and see if I can feel any difference. So just go inside the cabin and try to feel if the air being blown is any colder. Now I'm recording this video in the winter, so it won't really make any difference for me, but you're doing this in the summer probably, so just want to check it out. But always make sure to watch the gauge. This is something just you can also do to confirm this is actually working out for you. So proceed charging the AC until it's fully charged and you're happy. Once again, make sure not to overcharge it, so keep looking at that gauge, and you want to be just under the red area, so that yellow mark. Once you're done, you can turn off the vehicle. Okay, and that's pretty much it. When you're done, don't forget to install that cap back onto the low pressure port. Also, I will add, all of this will work if there is no major leaks from the system. In case you have a leak from the AC lines or the AC compressor is not working, then you will have to take the vehicle to the professionals, because they can charge the system with a special dye, and then they can diagnose where the leak is coming from and fix what has to be fixed. In case you have a smaller leak, then what you can try doing, you can buy a special AC refrigerant can. It's called seal leak, and it's pretty much refrigerant mixed up with some special solution which can take care of any small leaks and lubricate the system. That's also something you can try doing, and that way you will not lose any refrigerant and be cool over the summer. Okay, that's everything. One more time I will mention, this will apply to any Chrysler 200. If you have a newer body line than this one, the only difference will be the location of the low pressure charging port, right? You just have to find it where it is. It's usually on a thinner AC line, right? And this is how it looks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.